You gonna help me harvest some potatoes?
A bird nest is over there, Mom.
A bird nest in the tree?
Yeah. And I'm not a bird.
You're not a bird?
No. I'm just sister.
You're just Esther?
Yeah.
Hello, Esther.
I'm up in the tree.
You're up in the tree. Alright. Hello guys and welcome back to the allotment. Today I'm going to show you how to harvest some potatoes with your 3-year-old. So let's hope that she cooperates. Let's begin. Esther? You ready? Come help Mummy, we've got to find some potatoes in here.
I'm going to stay here.
You're going to stay up there, but we have got some secret potatoes hiding underneath the soil. Who's going to help me find them?
I'm going to stay up here.
You're going to stay up there. Look, I'm putting the fork into the soil. Oh, Esther! Come and look at this. Very interesting. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's potatoes. Well, come on. Let's take them out and put them into this bucket. Cute. And look here, Esther, what about this one?
Wow.
Look, what about that one over there? Aha, if we just move this, Esther, you're not going to help me. Esther? Alright, so that is how you harvest potatoes with your 3-year-old at the allotment. She climbs a tree and you do all the work. Right, so I've got some not so good ones, but I am going to just chuck them in here because you know what they say. You're going to fall.
Yes.
Be careful. Come down if you're going to fall. Do you want me to help you get out? Oh, is this the bird nest over here?
Yes.
Oh, whoa, who made that bird nest?
I did.
That's a very, very good bird nest. Look, can you see that one? That one. Must Mommy dig a bit and then you can get it out. Look here. Ah. Aha! Can you see it?
Wow, we take your mouth out. We take your mouth out.
Esther, are you going to show everybody our potatoes? Come on, take some out of the bucket. Whoa! Thank you, my love. Thank you, my love.
I'm gonna have this. Oh, one.
Are you going to have those ones? Come sit next to Mommy over here. And mind your head. Alright. Guys, so from Esther and I here at the allotment today, thank you very much for joining us. And I hope you enjoyed our video on how to harvest potatoes with your 3-year-old at the allotment. Quite successful, as you can see. Esther did some playing and a bit of harvesting. And a little bit of learning at the same time. So, from Esther and I, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.